up, bros? Welcome back. We're cruising. It's currently 9 in the morning. It is sunny at last. No more rain. Oh, glorious, glorious California. Fortunate enough, the weather is great. The weather should be good moving forward. No more rain. Thank God we got rain because we needed it, but I think we're out of the drought. I'm pretty sure. I put my wallet in my pants, and I always hate doing that because I feel like I get like superstitious. Alright, there you go. Oh, I just feel like it's gonna like fly out of my pants, which I doubt it ever will, but the slim chance that it does, I'm fucked. For one, it's a little card holder, so I'm probably not going to find it, and for two, that shit is probably going to fly in the wind. And what am I going to do, stop on the freeway and go grab it? Like, no. The slim chance that I do find it on the freeway. So, with the weekend coming up, what's your guys' plans? Are you guys gonna go riding? You guys are chilling? Where are you guys from? If you guys watched my last video, the one that actually, watched my last video, you'll know we're going to Cars and Coffee this weekend and possibly riding with a friend. So, super stoked on that. I was gonna install my license plate bracket yesterday, but unfortunately my GoPro died and I wasn't gonna wait till my GoPro charged to do it because that would have been like another, hour or two. So I think we'll try again tonight. We'll try to do it tonight. I gotta get it done before Saturday. If I go to Cars and Coffee without a license plate, there most likely will be cops. So right now I'm running nothing. Old trusty over here. I've been running nothing for the last 2 or 3 days. My work's not that far, so I don't see it being a huge issue, and I have the license plate on me. So like for some reason get pulled over, like I have the plate. I just got it in the mail actually. I gotta say though, without a license plate, the bike looks clean. But we're gonna be safe. We're gonna be a good citizen and put it on. But I got the plate like right underneath the, right in the fender well, so it'll be nice and tucked away. It won't be ugly and nasty, which I'm all about aesthetics. So whatever to get the cleanest look. And yeah, we're still babying this thing. We still got the break-in period. I'm gonna take it easy on the bike. I'm not gonna get cocky with it and, possibly ruin something. So, even though I'm pretty sure these bikes come from the factory, like, ready to go, and I'm pretty sure there's been studies on the whole break-in period that show it doesn't do much, but it's okay. Given this is an expensive bike, I would rather treat it well, take care of it, than possibly fuck something up. Okay, even babying this thing, it can still easily hit 100 miles an hour.
100
so windy. Hello, sir. So I've been using a leather vest, honestly game changer, and I stay warm. It's pretty convenient. I don't know why more guys on street bikes don't wear leather vest, but I think it's a move. I don't think you got to be riding Harleys to wear one. I got this one off of Amazon, quick shipping, and honestly, crazy helpful. This is my new go-to for sure. Especially when summer comes. Oh, it's gonna be a game changer. But I do need to get a riding jacket. I have a speed and strength flannel, which is super sick. I wore that yesterday, but it definitely doesn't cut through the wind. So that's going to be more of a summer, for sure, a summer fit right there. It's crazy how fast this bike can be if you let it. Insane. I feel like most people, they truly don't understand how much power a street bike has. Like, it's dumb power. Like, power to weight ratio is crazy. Crazy. Like, you know, the average person's not knowing that this is easily taking on a Lamborghini out the dealer. You know, like, a lot of people think those are very fast cars, which they are. But like, you see that? Insanity. Like, keep it up with like a 1300 horsepower Lamborghini. But like, the common folk don't know that. I just think it's crazy. Alright guys, I'm going to stop the video here. If you guys did watch, I appreciate you all for coming back. Make sure to subscribe down below. Make sure to like this video and comment. And as always, have a good rest of your day. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.